Welcome to JK Academy. In this video, we'll see data science. What is data science? And let's start. And it's very important video. Please do watch the complete video. आप लोग ये वीडियो को आखिर तक देखिए. इसमें आपके 3-4 मिनट बहुत ही वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे आपकी ज़िंदगी में. So what is data science? So data science, making sense of information. So we have some kind of data available. So with the available data, how we can get the sense, or we can get the information from the available data. Turning data into decisions. What is the now the question behind why should we have to learn the data science? Ever wonder how companies like Netflix predict what you will watch next, or how self-driving cars see the road? It's all powered by data science. जो आप अभी आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि जो कार्स है, जो सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स है, वो किस तरह अपने आप को ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, किस तरह की प्रोग्रामिंग से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, वो सारा कुछ डिपेंड होता है उनके ऑलरेडी फीडेड डेटा, जो उनको पहले से डेटा फीड करके रखते हैं प्रोग्राम में. वो एआई की मदद से उसको यूज़ करके ही वो सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स चल रहे हैं आजकल. ये अभी फर्स्ट टेस्टिंग सैन फ्रांसिस्को में चल रहा है. जो सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार है वो टेस्ला का सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार चल रहा है, और बहुत सारी कंपनीज भी इसको डेवलप किया है. लेकिन अभी सैन फ्रांसिस्को में सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स अभी सक्सेसफुल चल रहा है. What is data science? Data science is the art of turning raw information into useful insights using statistics, programming, and machine learning. How the flow of the data flows like data, then analysis, then insights, then decisions. So data itself shows us many things. आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें डेटा ही बता देता है कि ये चीज़ें, ये चीज़ें. सो उसको देख के उसका इंसाइट्स निकाल कर हम डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं. Why is data science important? So this is again a $1 billion question. It predicts trends like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, everything. These all big companies works on the data, improves healthcare, AI diagnosis, then powers self-driving cars, helps businesses grow. Core components of data science. What is the core components? What are the important components of a data? Data collection, then data cleaning, then exploratory analysis, then machine learning models, visualization, and insights. Real world examples like Netflix predicts movies, Google Maps predicts traffic, healthcare early cancer detections, banking frauds detections. How data science works step by step. First, we collect the data, then after that we clean and organize it, then after that analyze patterns. We find the patterns from the available data, then we train a models, make predictions, apply in real life. Skill needed in this data science. So this is again a big question. What we have to learn to become a data scientist or data engineer, data analyze, whatever it may be. So first of all, we have to know programming in Python, statistics and maths is very important. Then machine learning, then data visualization, domain knowledge is very important. Career opportunities in data science: data analyst, machine learning engineers, business intelligence analyst, AI researchers is. Benefits oriented hook reminder: unlock the power behind today's biggest innovations like simple breakdowns of big data and AI everyday use. Curiosity driven hook reminder: what if I told you everyday information hides secrets to solve the world's toughest problems? Conclusion: data science turning raw info into powerful decisions. It impacts movies, medicines, maps, and money, and more. You can learn it step by step. Subscribe for more easy explanations of complex topics. So, thank you very much for watching the whole video. Please do like, share, subscribe JK Academy, and please do comment the next video what you want to see, and which kind of topics you want to see in my next videos. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day.